2 balls, 2 strikes, and 1 out, and the Ponies are trailing 1-0 here in the visiting half of the third. As Rennie sits and deals the 2-2, and that's lifted high in the air in a deep center by Kriedler. Mangum back, track, wall, it is gone. A 3-run home run for Ryan Kriedler. And it gives the Seawolves a 4-0 lead in the third. This ball kept on carrying and carrying. And Mangum just ran out of room. It caromed off one of the sides back onto the field. But an immediate signal for a home run from this umpiring crew.